Doing a little video on this BorgWarner clutch, fan clutch, 1090-09650-01 part number. And this is the old one. Gonna be putting a new one in here. This all broke down here. These are the back clutches, all the parts to it. Alright, this thing right here sits back on top. This right here had broke. That's your clutch pad. See, it sits around there like that. Then broke in two pieces. But that sits back on down on top right there like that. Little washer goes on there like that. The little nut goes back on top of it. But that's, wait a minute, you gotta put this back on first. Like a dust cover. Then put the washer and the nut back on there. I'm gonna press it back down on there. Alright, so I'm finished taking it apart. That's the back retaining plates that go on the back snake. Screw in the back side of here. Something like this right here. When you're looking at one. And it's all put back together, you'll see it like that. Some kind of way it goes. Just like that. And both back all back together. One piece. Alright. Got 6 bolts holding it in there. Trying to loosen them up. Get them out of there. We're going to put the new one on there. Alright. It's also an oil seal. It's oil seal. It's supposed to go right there. That thing's all tore up though. Yeah, it's tore up right there. It's supposed to be rubber all the way around there. It's wrecked. So let's go and pull it on off here. Alright. Let's see what we got. There's the problem. That's supposed to be an old ring right there. That's all left of the old ring. Yeah. That's all left of it. Supposed to be a whole old ring. Let me put it right there. See a little bit better. Yep. Ain't much left here. Okay. Let's sit there and inspect this thing for wear and tear. That thing's looking good. Still looking good, so. Not wall it out. Inside this over. We got to go okay to put it back together then.